Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So let us continue transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Okay. So at least you have got little idea of what are transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Okay. Now let us study about that. When you look around, you will find that you can see through a glass window and not through the walls of your classroom. As I explained you can see clearly see through a glass window, the outside view. But can you see what is at the other side of the wall? You cannot see. Okay. This is because glass allows light to pass through it, but a wall made of bricks reflects the light. See what happens, the glass, through the glass the light can pass. When the light is passing through the glass, we can see the outside view. Suppose there is some, you can say there is something, suppose there is a cardboard on the glass. Can we see the outside view? No. It will stop the light from to pass from this side to that side. So we cannot see. So, but if we remove the cardboard from the glass, we can see. So glass, you can say it is a transparent object. Okay. Because glass allows the light to pass through it. But a wall, suppose a wall which is an opaque object made of bricks, it reflects the light. Okay, it does not allow the light to pass through it, but it reflects the light. Suppose we put on the light inside the room, it will reflect the light. Okay, objects that allow light to pass through them completely are called transparent objects. So what are transparent? No, what are transparent objects? Objects that allow light to pass through them clearly, you can say, or completely, are called transparent objects. For example, glass, air and water are transparent objects. Glass, air and water are transparent objects. You can do some examples also you can do some experiments also to prove this, that glass, water and air, all these things are transparent objects. Now let us come to objects that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Objects that do not allow, suppose this wall, suppose I say the wall of your classroom, the wall of your room will not allow the light to pass through it. Okay, they are known as opaque objects. Objects that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Such objects reflect the light, so we cannot see through them. Such objects, you see here, you have to keep in mind, they reflect the light, so we cannot see through them. For example, wood, brick wall and book are opaque objects. This book, I cannot see the other side of the book. How can I see the other side of the book? This is an opaque object. Okay. Now let us come to, there are some other objects that allow only some light to pass through them. Only some light. It will be very hazy, but some light can pass through them. Okay, a blurred picture. When you take photograph also, see the side, everything comes blurred, isn't it? A blurred picture is seen when we look through these objects. We cannot see clearly. Such objects that allow only partial light to pass through them are called translucent objects. So, you see here, the objects that allow only partial means very little, okay, light to pass through them are called translucent objects. Now you say, suppose 1%. So 1/4 you can see, only 1/4 you can see. So that is known as translucent objects, okay. The objects that allow only partial light to pass through them are called translucent objects. Butter paper you have seen. You will see when we take the butter, the paper what is left, okay, like in Amul butter, we use the butter and the paper that is left. Only we can see something, we cannot see anything clearly, but we can see that the other side light is there if we see. Butter paper, smoked glass and colored glass are some examples of translucent objects. Okay, now please let us do this. Time to revise, fill in the blanks. To view things, you need a source of light. Okay, to view things, you need a source of light. Okay, now a source of, only write down a source of light, right? Next one, objects which emit light of their own are called, objects that emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Okay, glass, air and water are transparent objects. Smoked glass and colored glass are some examples of translucent objects. So number 1, please see, to view things you need a source of light. Objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Glass, air and water are transparent objects, and smoked glass and colored glass are some examples of translucent objects. So you can do some common examples you can do to prove all these things, like transparent, what are transparent objects, what are opaque objects, and what are translucent objects. Okay children, please go through the lesson. This is lesson 10, light and shadows, whatever I taught you. Thank you.